In this video, we're going to be talking about how to disable AI smart folders in your Apple Mail on your iPhone. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, open your Mail application. And as you can see, there are a couple of folders that are separated right up here. All you need to do is click on the top right or triple dot icon and click on list view instead of categories. And there you go, it's disappeared. What you can also do is going to be simply unchecking the priority inbox, which is going to be right over here. So if there is iCloud Mail cleanup turned on, you can turn this off right over here as well. So it is as simple as that. Now, the final thing which you can do is simply go ahead and open the settings app. And then you want to simply go ahead and look for the Mail app right inside of apps and click on that. And now what you want to do is look for composing. And once you're inside of composing, simply turn off the smart suggestions. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries,